So the first step we need to do is install the closure strips. They come on these, already has self-adhesive. You pull it off. It has a little dovetail to make connecting the segments. And then next we'll put on J-channel, and then we'll attach the soffit to that. What we did in order to make sure that this comes out nice and straight is pop the chalk line first to line up our closure strips too. It's so sticky. Got it. Okay. Okay. All right, when you're doing the sheathing, keep in mind that this doesn't have to look absolutely perfect, because next we're going to come back with some corner trim right here. I'm tired. So in order to get all of these brackets, which the gutters will hang from, in a straight line, we pulled a string line from down there to over here. And then just one simple screw, throwing it into the roof. Of course, they match the high profile of the roof. I got it. Boop. Okay. I'm ready for liftoff. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe like 3 inches. Okay. You want to try that? Watch your fingies. Ooh. So the way that the gutter comes on is one of the lips hangs on to every single one of these brackets. And then you can see from this one we just installed, it gets pinned with the stitcher that connects this top flange, can't really see it, maybe over here, this top flange to the bracket. And then it just simply hangs there. So we'll pin the front as well as the back. So we're going to get the front hanging. Okay. Got it. Okay. Now we're going to weasel it into this previous joint, which you can see I've already laid the caulking down for. Let me see if I can get the back open. Can you push a little bit, Jake? Well, okay, now? Sorry, trying to get the 2 profiles. There it is. Okay. The caboose does all the work, right? What do you say, Jake? Wow! Thank goodness that's easy.
we all just